In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DNS records in Bluehost. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what each field means, so you can confidently add the records your website or email provider requires. Start by signing into your Bluehost account and heading to the My Account area. Make sure the domain you want to edit is active and that your hosting or domain plan is current. If your domain's name servers point somewhere else, just remember you'll need to add DNS records with that provider instead. Otherwise, continue in Bluehost. Next, open the Domains section. This is where all of your registered domains are listed. Find the domain you want to work with and select it to open its settings. From there, look for the DNS or DNS zone area. This is the control center for all your records. Choose Add Record to begin. Bluehost will ask whether you want to add a single record or multiple records. Pick single if you're entering one value at a time. Choose multiple if a service has given you a list you can paste in together. Either way, you can repeat the process as many times as needed. Now select the record type. Common types include A, cname, txt, and mx. A records point a hostname to an IP4 address. Cname creates an alias that points one hostname to another. TXT is often used for verification and security settings like SPF or DKIM. MX directs email for your domain. If you're following instructions from a third party, match their specified type exactly. Enter the refers to field next. This is the host or name you're creating. Use the @ symbol to target the root of your domain, or type a subdomain like blog or mail based on the instructions you were given. Then fill in points too. This is the destination for the record. For an A record, it's an IP address. For a cname, it's another host name. For TXT, it's the exact text string provided. For MX, it's the mail server host name. Some record types may display extra fields like priority. If they appear, copy the values exactly as provided by your service. Click TTL to choose how long resolvers should cache the record. The default is usually fine unless your provider specifies a different value. Shorter TTLs help changes propagate faster. Longer ones reduce lookups once everything is stable. Finally, click Add to Save. Give DNS changes some time to propagate, often minutes, sometimes up to 24 or 48 hours. If something isn't working, double check for typos or conflicting duplicates. That's it, you've added DNS records in Bluehost.